Hello everyone, my name is Fasayo and here are the world cultural events and celebrations for the week of November 3rd to November 9th. On Sunday, November 3rd, we celebrate Bhai Dooj. Hindus celebrate Bhai Dooj on the second lunar day of the Shukla Paksha of Kartiki. It can define the eternal love between different siblings, brother and sister. Daylight saving time also ends on November 3rd. Tuesday, November 5th is Election Day. It is the general election statewide. Have fun voting. November 7th, Chhath Puja is being celebrated. It's a Hindu holiday that celebrates the birth anniversary of Surya. The festival is about worshiping sun and goddess Chhath for bestowing life on planet Earth. November 9th is the first quarter of the moon, which can be seen at 12:56 a.m. It represents a time for action, decisions, and commitment. And that's it for the world cultural events and celebrations. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel at TheScholarsNYC. I'm Fasayo, and I'll see you next time.